In today's video, I'm going to teach you can reduce a PDF file size on a Mac using Export in Preview. If you've ever tried to email a PDF and got an error because it was too large, or you just want to make your documents easier to share and store, this simple method is for you. We're using the built-in Preview app on Mac OS, so there's no need to install anything extra. Start by opening your PDF in Preview. On most Macs, double-clicking a PDF will open it in Preview by default. If your system opens it in another app, just right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Preview. Once your PDF is open and visible in Preview, you're ready to move on. Next, go to the menu bar at the top of your screen and choose File, then select Export. This is important. You want Export, not Share or Print. The Export option gives you access to a special set of controls that allow you to change how the file is written out, including a filter that compresses the content. When the Export dialog box appears, look for the drop-down labeled Quartz filter. Depending on your Mac OS version, this is usually near the bottom of the window. Quartz filters are built-in presets that tell Preview how to process the PDF during export. From the Quartz filter menu, choose Reduce File Size. This filter compresses images and streamlines the PDF's data to bring the file size down. It generally keeps text crisp while lowering the resolution of embedded images, which is why you'll often see a big reduction in size. Do keep in mind that this can slightly decrease image quality, especially in image-heavy PDFs. But for many documents, like forms, articles, or scanned notes, it's a great balance between quality and size. Before you finalize, give the new file a distinct name so you don't overwrite the original. A simple approach is to add something like smaller to the end of the file name. Keeping the original intact is a good habit. It lets you compare versions later and ensures you can always return to the full quality file if needed. And that's the process. You've opened the PDF in Preview, exported it, applied the Reduce File Size Quartz filter, and saved a version with a clear, unique name. It's fast, built into your Mac, and incredibly handy whenever you need a leaner, more shareable PDF. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your documents easy to send and store.